Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vritti. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson World Around with the Chili. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. Ajaruchu had come from a place called Mexico, but was also found across South America. The chili is actually a dash, even though most people think of it as a vegetable. Actually, a fruit. Columbus called the dash and the dash Indians. Columbus called Aztec, Inca, and the local people. Vasco da Gama wanted to take away some dash plants to his country. Pepper plants. Dash was the world's gateway to India. Goa. Understand? Next. Answer these questions. Who was Ajar Uchu? Ajar Uchu was the spirit of the chili. Where did the Inca live and what did they grow? They lived in a vast mountains and forests of South America. And they grew maize, potato, tomato, and many other fruits and vegetables. Okay. What lay between South America and India? Vast oceans and the continent of Africa lay between India and South America. Okay. Why did foreigners go to South America? Foreigners came to South America to help to take the chili plant all over the world. We're actually looking for a way to reach India. Describe Vasco da Gama's journey to India. He led 4 Portuguese ships around the tip of Africa and reached a place called Calicut. Okay. Vasco da Gama wanted to take some pepper plants to his country. But the plants could not be grown in the climate of Europe, so they settled in India. Why did the Portuguese decided to settle India? Portuguese decided to settle in India because they wanted a pepper plant, but in Europe, the climate of the Europe not support to grow the plant. Okay. Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct homophones. Please don't dash water. Waste. Don't waste. I dash a bird using craft paper. I made, M-A-D-E. Early in the morning, there was dash on the grass. Dew, D-E-W. Anita was preparing the dash for baking the cookies. Dough, D-O-U-G-H. My parents bought me a new dash of shoes for school. A new pair, P-A-I-R. My brothers were quarreling over the last dash of apple pie. Last piece, P-I-E-C-E. Okay. Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. I like to have toasted bread for breakfast. Freshly baked bread is fluffy. F-L-U-F-F-Y. The potato fries were dash with oil. Dripping. You should dash the orange before you eat it. Peel. My mother makes buttermilk with homemade curd. Money forgot the mangoes in the shopping bag. A week later, he found that they had got spoilt. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. Meeta walked dash her father. Walked beside. The cat jumped dash the baby's toys. Jumped over. Arun put all the waste paper in the bin. Watch out, there's monkey behind you. The thief swam dash the river and ran away. Across. I was feeling so cold that I quickly slipped dash the blanket. Slipped under. Okay. Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. The librarian dash reading a book. Librarian is. She dash working on the computer. She is. Sita and Sana dash in the same class. Are. Rana and Meeta dash playing football. Are. My friends always dash their toys with me. Share. Every morning, my father and I dash for a walk. Go for a walk. Understood? This is about the book back exercise of the lesson. World with around the chilli. Tomorrow we will see lesson 9, trapped by a tiger. Okay. Thank you.